For waste hauling fleets, rear-load refuse collection vehicles have historically been the blind spot, with no available technology to automatically gather crucial data for each service stop, especially those difficult take-all rear-load collection routes. This problem causes operators to perform go-backs or forces management to tackle tough challenges, such as customer claims that garbage was not picked up, illegal dumping, or excessive volume at a stop, overloaded containers, and incorrect or off-book service. With Third Eye's expansion of its Verif-Eye module to include rear-load positive service verification and asset management, this can now be a problem of the past. Verif-Eye for rear loaders is an industry-first, intelligent, patent-pending customer service technology that passively collects complete service verification information, including bag and quantity counts, time spent at each stop, documented exceptions in real time, optional photos or video of the entire event, and all other associated details of the service, all without requiring manual action of the operator. Verif-Eye is the first solution that provides rear-load fleets with a single consolidated record of each stop, all accessible within our simple, easy-to-understand EyeSight dashboard. The Third Eye Verif-Eye for rear loaders expansion is the latest innovation within the overall connected collections strategy of helping fleet owners to make better decisions faster. For more information, visit us on the web or contact your local Third Eye sales representative.